In this video, we will be talking about word classes. Language may be likened to a building, and just like building, language is made up of different material. And we know that buildings may be made from cement and blocks, sand, and things of that nature. This material may be equated with words. So words are the building blocks of language. These words may be categorized into different groups based on the function that they perform in a particular context or situation. Hence, we have word classes or parts of speech. In English language, there are 8 main parts of speech. These are the noun, and the pronoun. We also have the adjective and the verb, the adverb, the preposition, the conjunction, and the interjection. These various categories of words perform different functions. Usually the noun is the naming word, the adverb and the verb usually go together because the verb is the action word and the adverb describes the action, so it modifies a verb. The adjective modifies the noun or describes it. Prepositions are words that tell us about the position of entities. Conjunctions are words that join other words together. So we could say they are joining words. And interjections describe emotions. So this and the pronoun. The pronoun is used to replace a noun or to refer back to a noun. And these 8 parts of speech are what we'll be looking at in this lesson.